Joy from Joy Quilts. Today I'm doing a little pirate quilt. Kind of sums up how I'm feeling about this whole pandemic thing. Arrgh. Anyway, we're sticking it out. This is a kit that was given to me last year, one of a couple by my friend Bonnie Miguel. And she has a lot of really cute little kid quilts that she donates, but she hasn't had time to make them all. So I've been kind of the recipient of some of her kits. Very cute kits. Anyway, this one is pirates. So another little funny thing about this quilt is that there are little 3-inch squares in the borders, and I was, I guess, too tired when I was doing it. I should probably have not been doing it. And I looked at them and I thought, man, those are cute little robots. Those are awesome. So I, of course, being directionally challenged, was very careful to put the robots foot side down. And then when I looked at it when it was all put together, I realized that they were actually pirate ships and not robots. So took it all apart. So a 4-hour project became 8. But anyway, it's kind of cute now. Sometimes you just got to know when to put the sewing down. The project needs to just wait for the next day. Anyway, so I'm using King Tut thread, which is a 40 weight superior thread. The top one is a variegated yellow. The bottom is like a creamy beige, even though the bottom is yellow. I wanted to have a little bit of contrast on it. King Tut uses a 90 top stitch needle, or you're going to have nothing but problems. And I'm speeding up the design just a little bit because it is a pretty simple one. It's called China Grove, and I thought it kind of looked like waves. Pretty tall waves. I don't actually have a wave pattern. At some point I'll have to get one of those, I guess. But it's very cute. This is a kit from a quilt shop that's been closed for several years, so it's a good thing there was enough fabric in it. They're actually pretty much right on, which is good. Sewing with cotton fabric too, with flat cotton, I realized something. It does tend to fray a lot. My fabric of choice is usually batik. It doesn't fray, and as many times as you take it out, it goes back in beautifully. But this one, I couldn't have ripped it out more than once because it really did start to fray. But luckily I was able to get it back together. It's probably an inch smaller than it should have been, just because of that. And the narrow borders tended to kind of disintegrate as I was putting them back together, but it'll all quilt fine. It's a very pretty fabric. It's a Riley Blake. I believe probably everything is from the same collection. Probably not one that's current though. So if you see on the left side, you can see my famous robot / pirate ships. I'm just putting over to quilt them now. So we had snow again today, -12. Typical Alberta day, but maybe for February, not April. We're all finding it a little bit of a long winter. So now I'm back to last year's kits. So we'll see what I come up with next. I've got a much deeper closet than I had realized, so I'll get in there and see what else I can find to quilt. We're still accepting quilts. We're offering free pickup and delivery in the Edmonton area, but haven't had too many people take us up on it yet. Joy Quilts on Facebook. We have a website, joyquilts.com. We're on Instagram. Pretty much anywhere you find a quilter these days. And that's it for China Grove on a pirate quilt.